Hey, this is Kaye Champ, illustrator and owner of Pretty Girl Digitals. I'm here today to quickly demonstrate how to utilize chat stickers as an emoji within your iMessage. We will utilize the Lula Gif Emoji Sticker Pack available now on the Apple App Store for $1.99. The Lula Gif Emoji Sticker Pack is comprised of over 50 emoji and animated sticker styles of a fun girl who is totally giving life to our everyday thoughts and expressions. Chat stickers are pre-designed messages that punctuate conversations and enliven daily text threads. They are more personal than utilizing the yellow default emojis on our keyboard, and they're way easier to use than setting up a personal bitmoji. Several brands have already designed chat stickers to help us engage with our friends in text messaging. Target, Starbucks, Disney, Hello Kitty, Barbie, and many others. You can check them out on the Apple App Store and have fun with it. So let's get started with the tutorial. The first thing you want to do is open up iMessage and compose a message to a friend. Select the Apple App Store icon, which is grayed out to the left of the iMessage box. When you press that, a browser window will appear, and underneath the browser window will be app icons of apps that are available to use within iMessage. We will select the Lula Gif Emoji Sticker Pack. So press that app icon, and when you do so, the available stickers in that app will appear. You can scroll the available stickers and choose one. I will choose Cool Beans. There she is. Press and she will appear in the message window. If you don't want to use that sticker, you can hit the X in the top right button to delete. You can scroll and choose another. So let's see. I think I will choose the giggles. There she is. You press it and she appears in the message window. If you'd like to add text, you would press in the text box and type a message. Press the blue button and voila, you have sent the cutest chat sticker to a friend. So enjoy, have fun with it. Send a friend a cute message using the Lula Gif Emoji Sticker Pack today. Thank you. See you later. Bye.